everyone, our topic for today is all about gene therapy. So in the first slide, say what are gene? O ano nga ba ang genes? Genes carried on chromosomes and are the basic physical and functional units of heredity. Means, genes are small part inside in our body that carry information from our parents. Ang genes ang nagmamana ng ating katangian tulad ng kulay, mata, buhok, at balat. Genes are a specific sequence of nucleotide that encode instruction on how to make proteins. Means, genes are found in the chromosomes and they give instruction to our body to make protein. At protein ang tumutulong para lumakas ang ating katawan, maghilom ang mga sugat at gumana ng maayos ang mga cell. When our genes altered so that encoded protein are unable to carry out our normal function. Genetic disorder result means if a gene is a change or damage, the body cannot make the right protein and this can cause genetic disease. Kapag nasira ang genes, magkakaroon ng problema ng katawan at pwedeng magdulot ng sakit na namamana. And I have for example, genes are like a recipe or guide for our body. If the recipe is correct, the taste food is good. Like our body work well is stay healthy. Pero kung mali yung recipe at may kulang na nagiging pangit ang luto, parang katawan natin yan. Nagkakaroon ng sakit kapag may sira na sa genes. So in the second slide, say gene therapy background. In 1990, the first gene therapy journal published Human Gene Therapy. Means, dito nagsimulang magbahagi ng mga scientists ng idea tungkol sa paggamit ng genes para gamutin ang mga sakit. Like for example, it's like making a book that teach doctor how to fix broken genes so that sick people can become healthy again. Parang gabay ito kung paano gamutin ang sakit sa loob mismo ng ating katawan gamit ang genes. In 1990, the first approved gene therapy clinical trial took place when Ashanti De Silva, a 4-year-old girl with the ADA combined deficient server immunodeficiency, was given her own T cells engineered with a retroviral vector carrying a normal ADA gene. Means, in 1990, the first gene therapy trial, also in 1990, the first gene therapy trial was done with a 4-year-old girl named Ashanti De Silva. Mahina ang kanyang immune system kaya madali siyang magkasakit. The doctor took some or her cells, added a healthy gene, and put the back on our body. For example, it's like replacing a broken part of machine with a new one so it worked again. Parang pinalitan ng doktor ang sirang genes sa katawan ni Ashanti kaya naging mas malakas siya at hindi na madaling magkasakit. In 2000, the first gene therapy cure was reported when Alan Fisher from Paris succeeds in totally correcting children with SCID-X1 or bubble boy syndrome. Means, Dr. Alan Fisher from Paris successfully cured children with the bubble boy syndrome using gene therapy. Ibig sabihin, napatunayan na nakayang magpagaling ng gene therapy ng mga batang may sakit sa immune system. For example, before those kids, they stay inside the bubble because they got sick easily. But after gene therapy, they called family, go outside, and live like a normal kid. Parang binigyan sila ng bagong buhay dahil gumagana ang kanilang therapy sa kanyang immune system.
Hey guys, my name is Adrian G. Marquez from Group 4. My topic today is why gene therapy. Gene therapy can be used for a number of diseases such as SERD combined immune deficiency, pneumonia, Parkinson's disease, cancer, and even HIV. Through a number of different approaches, this technique may allow doctors to treat a disorder by inserting a gene into a patient cells instead of using drugs or surgery. Gene therapy. Gene therapy is the intersection, alteration, or removal of genes within an individual, cells, and biological tissues to treat disease. It involves adding a normal function to copy of genes to enough affected cells to restore normal function.
My name is Jerry Garcilaga, base IT1B. Ang topic natin ngayon is viral vector for gene transfer. How viral vectors are used for gene transfer in gene therapy. Number 1. Start with a natural virus. Normally, viruses infect cells to replicate. Number 2. Remove harmful genes. The genes responsible for viral reflection or disease are taken out. Number 3. Insert therapeutic gene. A healthy or corrected gene is added in place of the removal virus genes. Number 4. Virus carrying therapeutic gene. The modified virus can no longer cause disease. Number 5. Infect and deliver to gene target cells. The engineered virus delivers the therapeutic gene into patient cells to correct a genetic defect or treat disease.
Vectors. The viral vectors increases the capability of viruses to transfer genetic material into affected cell. Viruses insert their DNA into cell with high efficiency. Viruses are imbued by genetic modification of adenovirus, affected associated virus, lentivirus, receptor building, and membrane function, release transcription, viral DNA integration, viruses, viral RNA, viral protein synthesis, viral RNA packaging, and capsid stability, building and multiplication. Gene therapy using an adenovirus vector. Modified DNA injected into vector. Vector binds to cell membrane. Vector is packaged into present The cell break down wrestling Victor. Victor injects new gene into Achilles. Cell makes protein using new gene. Victor, new gene.
Gene therapy success and failures. SCID is often called bubble boy disease. SCID became widely known during the 1970s and 80s when the world learned of David Petter, a boy with X-linked SCID who lived for 12 years in a plastic germ-free bubble. He died after a bone marrow transplant. A recessive disorder of mutation in the endocyne and DMS ADA gene causes SCID. Gene therapy successfully replaced this gene in several ADA patients. Approaches to gene therapy. Several approaches to gene therapy are being tested, including replacing a mutated gene that causes disease with a healthy copy of the gene, inactivating or knocking out a mutated gene that is functionally improper, introducing a new gene into the body to help fight a disease.
Cancer and viruses as vectors. Multiple gene therapy strategies have been developed to treat a wide variety of cancers, including suicide, gene therapy, anti-angiogenesis, and therapeutic gene vaccines. Two-thirds of all gene therapy trials are for cancer, and many of these are entering the advanced stage. Example, gene vaccine trials for prostate cancer and pancreas cancer. Viruses as vectors. Currently, the most common type of vectors are viruses that have been genetically altered to carry normal human DNA. Viruses replicate by inserting their DNA into a host cell. Gene therapy can use this to insert genes and encode for a desired protein to create the desired trait.
Basic processes of gene therapy. To design and carry out a gene therapy treatment, a researcher must 1. Identify the genes responsible for the disorder. 2. Make copies of the normal gene. 3. Insert the copies into vectors. 4. Infect the affected cells with the vectors. 5. Activate the gene so that transcription and translation take place. The genes causing the disease through genetic research. The second one is obtain or synthesize functional copies of normal gene to act as a therapeutic agent. The third one, use a delivery system vector, often a modified virus, to transport the normal gene into patient's cells. The fourth one is introduce the vector into the patient's body to target affected cells, either directly in vivo or by modifying cells outside the body and transplanting them back ex vivo. And the last one is to ensure that delivered gene is activated to produce functional protein, correcting the underlying defect. What are genetic disorders? Genetic disorders is a disease caused by a variation or mutation of a gene. Genetic disorders can be passed on to family members who inherit the genetic abnormality, as a small number of rare disorders are caused by a mistake in a single gene. Most disorders involving genetic factors, such as heart disease and breast cancers, arise from an interplay of multiple genetic change and environmental factors. Variation or mutation in our genes. Genetic disorders can be passed from parents to children because kids inherit their genes from their parents. Simple rare disorders. Some rare illnesses are caused by one mistake in one gene. Complex common disorders. Most common diseases like heart disease and cancer happen because of a mix of many genes change in things around us. Somatic cell gene therapy. Two types. In vivo gene therapy, delivery of new genetic material directly to target cells within the body. The challenge lies in ensuring the specificity and reaching the correct target cells within the body. Ex vivo therapy. Target cells are removed from the body and then genetically modified. The cells are then returned to the body after selection and amplification. This is a safe method but dependent on the type of cells being targeted. Somatic cell gene therapy. The first one is in vivo inside the body. How it works. Directly delivering new genetic material into the patient's body to target specific cells. Process. Using a carrier like a modified virus to inject the new genes directly into the patient. Challenge. Making sure the treatment reaches the right cells and doesn't harm others. And the second one is ex vivo outside the body. How it works. Removing cells from the patient, fixing them in lab, and then putting them back in. Process. Taking out cells, modifying them, growing more of them, and then transplanting them back into the patient. Advantage. Safer because the cells are modified outside the body, so there's better control. Limitation. Works best for cells that are easy to remove, modify, and put back like blood cells.
In vivo gene therapy. In vivo gene therapy involves introduction of therapeutic DNA direct into the body's patient. The DNA is introduced by the cell-specific direct injection into tissue and meat. DNA is in form of plasmid vector introduced by the derma vaccination. Modified liposomes are not currently used for gene therapy, but they will likely be the next advancement in therapeutic gene delivery as the cell-specific receptor medicate. DNA carriers. Once the inside of the body in contact with the specifically targeted cell, the insert DNA is incorporated into the tissue cell where it encodes the production of the needed protein. Example, the process begins with the introduction of therapeutic DNA direct into the patient body. This DNA designed to correct or compensate for gene tech defect or produce the therapeutic effect. Types of gene therapy. Number 1. Germline gene therapy involves a permanent transfer of the gene to the sperm or egg cell. Gene therapy using germline cells result in permanent changes that are passed down to subsequent generation. Germline therapy is not permanent in any county on the basis that it is antic. Number 2, somatic cell gene therapy. It daily involves the transfer of the gene to the affected cell. Somatic cell therapy is viewed as a more conservative, safer approach because it affects only the targeted cells in the patient and is not passed on the future generation. Difference between IVF and surrogacy. IVF surrogacy is when the embryo made by fertilizing an egg with sperm in a lab is planted into the surrogate's uterus to carry the pregnancy. Process. Parents and surrogate undergo medical, legal, and physiological screening. Legal. Financial agreements are made. Eggs and sperm from parents or donors are used to create an embryo via IVF. Embryo is transferred to the surrogate who carries and delivers the baby. Types. Gestational surrogacy. Child is genetically linked to the parent's donor, not surrogate. Donor embryo surrogacy. Embryo comes from donated embryos.